So if I want to change my weed whacker head, first thing I'll do is come here. This gap right here in the washer will line up with a hole, and you just spin till you find it. And then you can take something as easy as just a long flathead screwdriver. See, as you rotate the weed whacker head, there's the opening. The hole is lined up. Actually, it's right there. You put it in, and then the most important feature about replacing your weed whacker head is that it's reverse threaded. So a reverse thread means lefty tighty, righty loosey. So it's just backwards. Same concept as changing an edger blade. So now what you want to do is pull it down to the right, and it pops right off. And as you can see, the whole head is spinning. So then as I unwind this off and not try to hit myself in the face with this weed whacker string, you can see that the head will just spin right off, just like that. And then this has a washer here, so always make sure to put that back on. So once you get your new head, you put it back on and you just twist it, this time to the left. Just tighten it up, just by hand even. And there you go, it's back in action.